Bonus. We have another update of the game. 1. Shop screen have added the game passes gears. 2. Opening shop screen that start to select with 2 buttons. One is gears, another one is game passes. 3. Old doesn't have game passes gears in shop, but it got update. So that's shown to shopping Amephis's gears shop. Maybe not work sometimes. 4. Gravity coil and speed coil has plus 100 coins on each cost. There's one unlucky moment. Finding snowball scene is not working sometimes because of bug. And it's only work sometimes. Maybe finding snowball scene goes work soon, I guess. Thanks for watching.